kids! How are you today? I am Teacher Rona, and we will be learning today about recognizing rhyming words in nursery rhymes, poems, and songs heard. Are you ready? Let's start! Let's have a review first. Which word does not belong to the group? Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. A. Cat. B. Hat. C. Ham. Correct! Letter C. Ham. Number 2. A. Jam. B. Wag. C. Bag. Very good. Letter A. Jam. Number 3. A. Den. B. Hen. C. Net. Correct. Letter C. Net. Kids, let us sing a song entitled Wash, Wash, Wash Your Hands. Are you ready? Let's sing. To drive away the germs we hate, wash your hands before it's late. Before we eat, we wash, wash your hands. Wash, wash. Before we eat, we wash, wash your hands. Wash, wash. We play, 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 then we wash the germs away. Before we eat, we wash, wash your hands. Wash, wash. Did you love the song? What was the message of the song? Yes, very good. It says that we must wash our hands always before we eat to wash the germs away. Do you wash your hands always?
Yes.
Very good. Especially during this pandemic. We must wash our hands always to drive and be safe from COVID-19. Let us go back to the song. What can you see? Yes, there are highlighted words. I will read the words and you will listen carefully and tell me about it after. Hate, late, play, away. Are there similarities on those words? Very good. The pair hate and late has the same final sound, and play and away has also the same final sounds. And those pairs of words are called rhyming words. Rhyming words are a pair of words having the same final sound. Example from the song Wash, Wash Your Hands. Hate and late. Play, away. Let us listen to another nursery rhymes and then let us recognize the rhyming words. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, and down he ran. Hickory dickory dock. Let us answer the questions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which pair of words has the same final sound? Letter A. Hickory, duck. Letter B. Mouse, clock. Letter C. Hickory, dickory. And letter D. Hickory, dock. Correct! Letter C. Hickory, dickory. Number 2. Which word rhymes with dock? Letter A. Clock. Letter B. Mouse. Letter C. Struck. Letter D. Down. Well done! The correct answer is letter A. Clock. Let us now try recognizing rhyming words in a poem. Are you ready to listen? Clean surrounding is good to see. Fresh air from trees that we have are blessings from above. May you be thankful to me, for I know cleanliness must always be. Let us answer the questions. Write true if the statement contains rhyming words, and false if the words are not rhyming. Number 1. See and me are rhyming words. True or false? Correct! True! See and me are rhyming words. Number 2. The word have has the same sound with above. True or false? Very good! True! Have, above are rhyming words. Are you familiar with the song Jack and Jill? Listen to the song carefully and try to recognize the rhyming words. Please listen as I sing the song Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Let us answer the question. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which word has the same final sound with the word Jill? A. Jack, B. Water, C. Hill, D. Crown. Very good! Letter C. Hill. Number 2. Which among the pair of words rhyme with each other? Letter A. Down, crown. Letter B. Jack, Jill. Letter C. Crown, water. Letter D. Fetch, felt. Correct! Letter A. Down, crown has the same final sound. Well done, kids! You are really amazing. Let us now listen to another song and then recognize the rhyming words from it.
Above the world so high.
good. There are rhyming words from the song. Star, R, high, and sky. Those pair of words are rhyming words. Let's try with another song. Let's try to recognize rhyming words from the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Let us answer whether the statement is true or false. Number 1. Boat and stream are rhyming words. True or false? False. They are not rhyming words. Number 2. The word stream has the same sound with dream. True or false? Very good. True. Stream and dream has the same final sound. Number 3. The word merrily rhymes with gently. True or false? True. Merrily and gently are rhyming words. Yes, very good, kids. Again, what do you call of the pair of words having the same final sounds? Yes, they are called rhyming words. Again, rhyming words. Let us check your understanding about recognizing rhyming words in nursery rhymes, poems, and songs heard. Get a piece of paper and a pencil. Listen to the song and then check if the pair of words are rhyming words and then cross out if not. Are you ready? Listen to the song Incy Wincy Spider and then recognize the rhyming words after.
The incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again.
Be ready with your paper and pencil. Listen as I read the pair of words. Right check if the pair of words are rhyming words and then cross out if not. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Spout, out. Number 2. Incy, wincy. Number 3. Rain, spider. Number 4. Spider, sunshine. Number 5. Rain, again. Are you finished? Let us check on your answers. Number 1. Spout, out. Check. They are rhyming words. Number 2. Insy, Wincy. Check! They have the same final sounds. Insy, Wincy. Number 3. Rain, Spider. Wrong! They are not rhyming. Number 4. Spider, Sunshine. Wrong again. They are not rhyming words. And number 5. Rain, again. Check! They have the same final sounds. How's your score, kids? If you got 5, excellent! If you got 4 and 3, very good! If you got 2 and below, good! Practice more in recognizing rhyming words in nursery rhymes, poems, and songs heard. Get your Module 1 and go to page 22. Answer the activity. Be sure to follow the direction. Listen to the song and then recognize rhyming words. Write the pair of rhyming words on the paper. The song is entitled, I'm a Little Teapot. When you are done answering, contact your teacher via email, messenger, or you can contact also your teacher through his or her cell phone number. Okay, kids, we learned today about recognizing rhyming words in nursery rhymes, poems, and songs heard. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. Learn to live, live to learn. I am Teacher Rona, reminding you to keep safe always and spend time with family. See you next time. Bye!